Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious toffee cake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need standard baking items like flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. Don't forget the key components for the rich toffee sauce: brown sugar, butter, and cream. Before you start mixing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your cake bakes evenly and perfectly from the beginning. Now let's create the cake batter. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 3 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition. Finally, gradually incorporate 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, divide it evenly between 2 8-inch round cake pans. Bake these in your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for easy handling. Then, level your cakes if needed and spread a generous layer of your prepared toffee sauce between them. For the grand finale, frost the entire cake with the remaining toffee sauce, or if you prefer, a delicious cream cheese frosting. You can then garnish your masterpiece with chopped pecans or a sprinkle of sea salt to enhance the flavors and add a lovely texture. This cake is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade toffee cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.